A while ago, I designed and posted a TV mount to use in A-frame hard side campers. It has a big advantage in that you do not need to permanently attach it to any of the camper structures, so you don't need to drill any holes for bolts or anchors. I recently showed my mount to a fellow A-frame owner, and he was impressed, but he asked if I could simplify the design. Well, it's about time I did an update, so let's hop to it. My original design was made from some aluminum pieces that I had laying around in my workshop. I like working with aluminum, but I can understand that many people do not. Besides, if you don't have scrap pieces, buying aluminum can get kind of expensive. So now my design needs to be simpler and made out of less expensive materials. As you know, another part of my channel is my TV antenna designs. One of the materials I use to build them is PVC wood. It's light, stable, and easy to work with. Besides, it's not very expensive and easy to buy. I think it would work well for this project. I'm going to use this 1 1/2 inch wide by 3/4 inch thick board to make the new TV mount. I will need a little under 4 feet of material. I'll need 4 machine screws. 2 of these number 10 by 1 1/2 inch flat Phillips head ones, and 2 of these 1 1/4 inch machine screws. Finally, I need to purchase an articulated wall mount to attach the TV to this bracket. I have a 24-inch TV, and this one on Amazon is inexpensive and works well. I'll put the link in the description. Before I start, let's look at the original design and how it works. I used the latches that secure the sidewalls to the roof. They provide a secure but temporary mounting point for the TV. The original design came down to the middle frame of the window, but this time I will make it longer so it rests on the lower frame. This way there will be no chance of stress on the window itself. This is going to be a quick and easy build. I start by cutting off a 38-inch length of board. This will be for the main support. Next I cut off an 8-inch length. I use some sandpaper to smooth the cuts. I mark a 45-degree angle at the top of the 38-inch board and cut and sand it. Now I lay it on top of the 8-inch board and mark the angle. This is cut and sanded smooth. I make a mark on the main board, a 1/2 inch from the edge and 1 1/4 inches from the top. Using a 3/16 inch drill bit, I drill a hole through the board. Now I align the board so that the angles match, and I drill a matching hole in the other board. Before you continue, decide on which wall you will hang your TV mount from. If it's this wall, the top board will be like this. If it's the other wall, it will be like this. Once you figure it out, take the 8-inch top piece and using a 3/8 inch bit, slightly countersink the screw hole on the side that will be against the wall. Insert a flathead machine screw. Make sure the head is recessed and can't damage the camper's wall. Secure the bolt with a nut. Snug it down. Using the 3/16 inch drill bit, drill a second hole through both boards. Countersink this hole and insert the second flathead machine screw. Bolt it down and snug both bolts up securely. Now I attach the TV mount arm. I measure down from the top 21 1/4 inches. I draw a line across the board and I mark the center of the line. Now I center the top hole of the mount on the mark and I mark the center of the lower hole. Next I drill 3/16 inch holes through the board at both the marks. I secure the 1 1/4 screws into the holes. Next I place the mount over them. Each end gets secured with a washer and a nut. And here it is, a simple but effective way to mount your TV. If you don't have PVC lumber, you can always use regular wood of the same dimension to construct it. In the camper, the top board fits right on top of the wall angle. You can see how the wall latch securely holds the bracket. Just slide it in, hang the TV on the mount, and you're all set. Before I get all those comments from those of you who don't think a TV belongs in the camper and ruins the entire experience, all I can say is, don't build this. Bringing along a TV is a personal choice, and I have posted videos on making and mounting an antenna on my A-frame for those sites that don't provide cable TV. I will post links to them in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Please high-five the like icon, jingle the notification bell, and subscribe. I get new subscribers daily. I think all of you are unbelievable, and I appreciate you following my channel. Thanks so much. Until next time, keep camping.
I think you're getting chilly.
That's some chili there.
Yeah.